Hello, welcome back to my channel. Yula here. It's been so long that I didn't upload the video because I was on holiday, and so sorry about that. In this video, I will cover the final result of my 300k challenge because it's the end of the 30 days already. Last week, I only taken 3 trades, almost hit my profit target, but because of I didn't follow the rules, I traded a pair I never traded before, and I was forcing a trade, so end up the market really slapped me back. I glad that it happened because it really makes me realize that hitting the target is not the most important. The most important is the process. You focus on the process, you learn from your journey. So I'm glad that the market really slapped me back and took back my profit. And please stay to the end of the video because I will share my experience that how I request for extension and how I protect my current profit to continue trading. So if you are planning to trade for a challenge, or you are ongoing to trade a challenge now and you have some profit which you don't have much trading days, I will share the tips and how you can request for it. So now let's get straight to the P&L of my MT4. As you can see here, this is the profit. I'm still up 14,929.83 cents, so it's around almost 5%. Then look at the trades. If you have followed my previous 2 episodes, the part 1 and part 2, you will see the explain of the trades, why I took the trade, and my style of trading. Look at this pound USD. The profit is $7,312.50. So if you calculate all these trades I took till this pound USD, so I already hit 7% plus, less than another 1% to hit my target. But anyway, the day that I thought maybe, okay, next week it's going to be like Christmas holiday, so I will be on holiday, I don't think I will be trading. Then I was forcing a trade to find a trade that, okay, maybe I just target for 1 hour in order to hit my 8% target. Then I was forcing a trade to look for other pair because those pair that I trade don't have trade at all. Then I found this US yen that having a good pattern with the stop hand, but however, end up it really slapped me back the market. I will explain why I take this USD yen, how it hit my stop loss, because the pound USD, this pair, it's the same pattern and same setup that I trade at EJ and EJ, and you will. To me, I feel like I learn more on my stop loss trade rather than my winning trade. So, okay, let's look at the UJ breakdown. In UJ, I saw here got a resistance. Then, with the trigger candle engulfing, then immediately I took the trade. I put, I think around $3,000. That means 1%. Then I was thinking, because I need another less than 1% to hit my TP, my risk reward will be 1 to 1, will be easier compared to previously I looking for 1.5R or 2R, but that's never easier when you don't follow your rules. Then you can see this the immediate hit my stop loss. Although I admit that trading a bigger challenge, 6-figure or whatever the challenge that you are currently trading now, it's very stressful. Also, same for me, it's quite stressed because you have limited trading days, and also you have a target to hit within certain days. Somehow during December, a lot of holidays. That's why many people say that it's better to slow down, because December is not a good time to trade. But to me, still subject to your trading style, subject to your setup appears. Because initially the 4 trade I took, all are winning trade. I think things are quite go too smooth according to my plan, so I took it for granted. That's why I was like okay, maybe next week not much trade. I know that because already 2 trading days are holiday, so only left 3 days. Somehow I don't have much trading days, then I was rushing to take a trade. So I will not recommend anyone to do this. The moment that it hit my stop loss, I really laugh, because the market will not care whether you are holiday next week or not, or whether you need to hit your target or not. But if you don't follow the rules, you will learn your lesson. That's how I really back to the scratch, follow the rules. But I was amazed that the past 3-4 trades, I was very patient. I was only focused on the A+ setup. It really goes smooth. So I need to stay consistently to focus on only my setup and do not rushing the trades. I only left another 7 trading days, so I sent an email to the My Forex Funds support. So this is the email. I will suggest whenever you send an email to the My Forex Funds support, always put your account ID on the subject, so for them easy to reference. So here's the email. Dear support, further to subject and below screenshot, currently my 300k challenge up 4.98% with 7 days left. Please advise in the event that if I didn't take any trades till 30 days completed, am I eligible to grant one free extension with another 30 trading days? And please revert clear answer in return. Okay, because even though I have a 7 days trading days, actually I only left another 3 days because of the holiday and the weekend, so I don't have much. But at the same time, I don't want to force a trade also. I want to protect the profit that I have already. Somehow, if you have more trading days, it really can make you relax a bit, that you don't need to be rushed. So I always recommend all the traders who plan to take a challenge, do not start your first trade if there's no setup. Okay, only take the trade when there's a setup appear. Okay, so let's see what the support reply me. Then they reply me, hello, hope you are doing well. Kindly note, if we only give extension if you have less than 5 days left and your account balance is in positive, you can notify us later. Let us know if you need any further assistance. So because I sent email to them when I was having 7 trading days. Initially, I thought only after completed the 30 trading days, then they will see your result, then give you extension. I saw some of the trader, based on their experience, they say your account profit should be around 6% positive. Then I don't know this, like about 6% positive, it's what's the range? Is it like a 4% also, about 6%? But the support reply me say, and your account balance is in positive. I don't know, it's kind of not clear to me. Is it 1% also considered positive, then they give you free extension, or there's a minimum percentage profit in order to grant you another extension? I request for them to give me another free extension. Then they reply me, sorry for the inconvenience, but you are not eligible. So kindly know we only provide extensions for 2 weeks twice or for 4 weeks at once if the account is in positive balance. Then I reply them that based on my current positive percentage, if less than 5 days, why not eligible to grant another extension? Because to me, if I want to find out certain thing, I will make it very specific. I will make sure that I get the clear answer. I don't want to be like a very blur. Let's say I only have another 3-4 trading days. If you tell me that I cannot extend based on my 5% positive, then no matter what, I will use this 5% to take the trade. You understand? But if you tell me that, okay, confirm that I can extend another either 2 weeks or 4 weeks, then I better not to take the trade within these couple days. I prefer to have more trading days, so I can have more possibility. At the same time, I protect my profit. Okay, so let's see what they reply me. You see the timing is after midnight. That means that my capital is around 5 days, left another 5 trading days. Then they reply me, I hope you are doing well. You will be awarded an extension for 4 weeks on the same account. Your request has now been processed. Okay, so let's see my home page. This is the current status of my 300k challenge. At this moment, as the MT4 shows, I'm up profit 14,929 something. It's around almost 5%. Then they give me another 4 weeks. That means that I have another 33 days left. As I mentioned earlier, if you already have some profit, but you want to protect your profit, and in order to have more trading days, then I will suggest you maybe just skip those few days in order for them to grant you another extension. Then you will be more relaxed, or not rushing, or not forcing the trade like I did. So basically, this is the result of my 300k challenge at this moment. Honestly, when I register this 300k challenge, I'm not expect myself to hit the target within first week, 2 weeks, or 3 weeks, because I know how hard to hit the target. Somehow it's a bigger capital that you trade compared to the 100k challenge. And if you watch my previous video, you know that I took almost 7 months to get my 100k funded. So I'm not rushing to the 300k at all. If it really need another 6-7 months, even a year to hit the profit target, I don't mind, I really don't, because this is long-term business, right? It's not like a one month or 2 months. You want to stay consistent, and you want to protect your capital as well. Even though at the beginning that it goes quite smooth, there's no guarantee in the market that even though you have another less than 1%, then you hit your profit. There's no such thing. So we have to stay focused, okay? I hope you guys enjoyed this 300k challenge, the transparent P&L, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.